fine morning, Thomas was just finishing his breakfast when Bertie came steaming into the shed, puffing with excitement. Thomas, he said, there's a group of really angry women coming through the railway gates, and they're carrying signs like, Thomas is a sexist pig, and ban Thomas. And Thomas reinforces sex role stereotypes. Give me a look, said Thomas.
Party time, it's party time. Everybody's feeling fine 'cause it's party time.
What a bunch of ugly lesos. Now that's not quite fair, Thomas, said Bertie. They do have a point. For instance, why is it that only boys can be engines? Because I like having boys around me, said Thomas. Now come back into the shed and I'll show you my... Later that week, however, the Fat Controller called a meeting of all the engines. Is everyone here? He called out. Alfred isn't here, cried Damien the Diesel. Well, where is he? Bellowed the Fat Controller angrily. He's shunting Edgar in the maintenance shed, cried Crazy Bartholomew, the local locomotive. Now settle down, said the Fat Controller. I've something very important to tell you. I have here an order from the Equal Opportunity Commission, which tells us that from now on, we've got to have female engines. The engines didn't like this idea at all. They booed and hissed the Fat Controller. Boo, hiss, boo, boo, boo. 3 weeks later, the first female engines arrived, and everyone was surprised by how well they fitted in. In fact, Edgar and Toby even said that they preferred working with female engines because they had nicer couplings. Thomas could go either way.
Hello, Jackson and Bird. April Fools?